Hey scientists and data enthusiasts, welcome back to Bioinformatics. In today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning heat maps in Python using Seaborn, perfect for visualizing gene expression or correlation matrices in your research. Let's get in. Heat map is a graphical representation of data where individual values are represented by color. It's widely used in biology to display gene expression levels across samples or to visualize correlations. They're especially helpful when dealing with high-dimensional datasets like RNA-seq results or sample similarity matrices. Let's start by loading our gene expression dataset. Here we have 10 genes and their expression levels across 10 samples. Now, let's visualize this data using a simple heatmap. We use the Viridis color map, which is perceptually uniform, great for scientific figures. Now, let's add annotations so we can see the actual expression values. This is especially useful when presenting smaller datasets where you want to highlight exact values. Let's generate a correlation matrix of the samples and plot that as a heat map. This quickly tells us which samples behave similarly in terms of gene expression. Now, let's style this heat map to be publication ready. Adjusting font size, color bar, tick rotation, and layout makes a huge difference. And that's it. You now know how to create beautiful and functional heat maps using Python. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more content like this. See you on the next video.